So you put all this work into your videos and you get 4 views and 3 of them are you. Or maybe you get 12 or 18 views. Either way, nobody's watching your videos. Why is no one watching your videos? The problem is nobody's seeing your videos. If you feel like your videos are going into a black hole, it's probably because you're not promoting your videos enough once you upload them. It's not enough just to throw the video up on YouTube and hope for the best. You've got to optimize the video for YouTube, make sure you've got a really compelling title, and make sure you've got a really cool thumbnail. So you got to do the basics right, and then you still have to promote the video and tell folks that it's there. You may get lucky and people might find it, but it's much more likely that you're going to have to promote it just like you promote anything else. Once it's on YouTube, put that video on Facebook, on LinkedIn, on TikTok, on Twitter, or X, or whatever the hell it's called this week. You can do a vertical version of that video or a short version and put that on YouTube Shorts and then have that point back to the main video. The point is, if you want people to see your videos, you have to tell people where the videos are, how they can see them, and why they should watch them. So if you feel like your videos are going into a black hole, it's probably because you haven't optimized the video for YouTube or done enough promotion once the video's on YouTube. Share that video, repurpose it, tell folks about it, repost it, recycle it. Make sure you're doing it on cross-platforms, LinkedIn, Facebook, wherever your audience is. Don't just post and pray, as they say. You've got to upload with intention, you've got to do it right, and you've got to let people know it's there.